You can divide any number by 5 in just 2 steps. And the first thing you have to do when you are to divide any number by 5 is that you first multiply that number by 2. Now we multiply 80 by 2 and this would give 160. Then you divide it by 10. 160 divided by 10 means this 0, we cancel this 0, and then we have what? We have 16. So that means that 80 divided by 5 is 16. You already know that 5 will only go with any number that ends in 5 or 0 without remainder. But if the number ends in any other number aside from 5 or 0, then there will be a remainder. But this trick work for the numbers that do not end in 0 and 5 also. So now let's try and divide 5 by 234. The first thing we have to do is to multiply 234 by 2. So 234 by times 2 would give 468. Then we first divide it, we first multiply it by 2, then you divide it by 10. So when we have 468 divided by 10, that means that we'll just move the decimal point by 1. So this will give 46.8. If you press your calculator now, you will get the answer. So whenever you have to divide any number by 5, first multiply the number by 2, then move the decimal point, and that is it.